Hey guys, what's up? I'm back with another video, and today my background is a little bit different because I am pretty much sitting in my living room, sitting in my living room with my dogs and just kind of chilling because I was too lazy to set up my filming area. But today's video is just going to be kind of chill. I'm going to be doing an unboxing of the March Boxycharm. And if you guys don't know what Boxycharm is, Exhibit A, it is a monthly subscription box for makeup. And if you've heard of like the Ipsy or Glam bag, I think that's what it used to be called when I was actually subscribed to it. But yeah, the Ipsy bag, it's kind of similar, except I believe the Ipsy bag is just samples or deluxe samples, and Boxycharm is actually full-size products. So let me just read a little bit about Boxycharm. Each month you get 4 to 5 full-size products. It is free shipping on all US subscribers. And if you want to pay monthly, it's $21 a month. Or you can pay like in advance, and if you pay in advance, it's around $19 a month. And so today I'm just going to show you what I got in my March Boxycharm, and then we can just kind of talk and see if it's worth the 21 bucks. So this is what the box looks like when it comes in the mail. I did open it already just to take a look, but this is what it comes in, and it always comes with a little card that says what the products are that are in the box, and it also has their prices and a little description of what the product is, which is nice. So let's just get into the first product. It is this. It looks like a blush. It is called Make Them Blush by Pretty Vulgar, which I haven't heard of, but the packaging is pretty. It's like a little cheapy, but the overall like actual packaging is nice. And the color is like a super hot pink. I mean, personally, I don't know if I would wear this maybe for like an editorial look, or you could actually even use this as an eyeshadow if you wanted to as well. But that's what the blush looks like, and this retails for $26, so it's already more expensive than this box in itself. I'll just swatch it. It actually is really creamy. That's what it looks like, and that's it swatched. The next item in the box is a mascara. It's from Bella Pierre Cosmetics. It's a volumizing mascara, and this retails for $20. And it just says it's a long-lasting volumizing mascara formulated to help create thicker and fuller lashes. This is what it looks like. I mean, mascara you always kind of need, or I do. I have my favorites, but sometimes if I just don't have my favorite around or it's run out, I'll use like one of these other mascaras that I just have on hand. And most of the time when I'm wearing false lashes, I don't really need the best mascara out there. I just need a mascara to make my lashes black. The next thing in the box is South Main Eye Gel Packs. Reduce puffiness, reduces dark circles, and moisturizes eye area. These are just under eye masks. Under eye gels, you can use it day or night, and it comes with 3 in this pack, and this retails for $10. I don't know about you guys, but I really like these under eye masks, and I actually can always use one, so I actually like that this is in the box. Plus it's 10 bucks for 3. I think that's actually how much the e.l.f. ones are as well. It's a 3-pack for 10 bucks. So it's a pretty good price, but I mean, I feel like anybody can use these or would want to try these if they got them in the box. So I think this is a pretty good item. The next product is from the Vintage Cosmetics Company, or Cosmetic Company, and it's the Smoky Eye Makeup Brush Set that retails for $23. And this is what it looks like. It has like that cute kind of vintage packaging. I've never heard of this company either. So in the box, you'll usually get like 1 to 2 prestige makeup company products, like Tarte or Pure Cosmetics. I've seen Makeup Geek, I believe. There's definitely a lot of like well-known brands that put their items into Boxycharm, but there's also a lot of like indie makeup brands, and the reason why they do this is just to like get the word out about their company. So I think that's cool. I mean, I understand the whole struggle of being an indie makeup brush company, so I can definitely feel for that. But these are the brushes, and they actually have the steps on the brushes. So it says step 1 for the money, step 2 for the shadow, step 3 go girl go. I don't know what that, I don't know what that means. But it's basically two, like this is kind of like a shader. This is a flat shader brush. This is another type of eyeshadow brush. I think you can actually use this for the outer corner. And then this is a detailer brush, which is nice for the lower lash line. So they're cute brushes. I like the nude. The nude handle is nice. And this retails, oh wait, I already said it. It retails for 23 bucks for 3 brushes. So, and if you're somebody that's just kind of getting into makeup, you don't have a lot of makeup products at home, or you don't have a lot of makeup brushes, this is the perfect box for you, because you get to sample a bunch of different brands, a bunch of different products, and then also there's always a lot of like makeup brushes, tools, skincare, all those kinds of things where you can be able to test the waters a little bit. And the last thing in the box, which is $36 retail, is the Pure Cosmetics The Complexion Authority eyeshadow palette. And this is actually a collaboration with Boxycharm, it looks like, since Boxycharm is on the label. This is what the palette looks like. It's actually really pretty. It has like this beautiful pop of purple right here, pop of blue, some neutrals, some kind of maroon shades. I'm actually really digging this. This is really nice. I'm excited to use this. I'll definitely do a tutorial with this. But yeah, that's a nice palette. And you get this with everything else and only paying $21 a month, which is crazy. Let's do just a few swatches. I really want to swatch this purple shade, maybe this blue shade, and this maroon shade. That's what it looks like. And then we'll put it right here. They actually look pretty stunning. The purple isn't as bright as I thought, but swatching with your fingers is different than swatching with a brush, so I'll wait to try that on my eyes, but the actual shimmer shades swatched beautifully. So I did calculate the total value of the box, and the total value is over $115, and you're only paying $21 a month, so it's definitely worth the money. I think the products in this box are pretty good. Definitely, I think I'll use all of them, if not most of them. I don't know about the blush yet, but I think I might use it as an eyeshadow. So I will have a link down in the description box below if you guys want to sign up. Let me know if you guys are subscribers or were subscribers and maybe unsubscribed, because you can cancel your subscription at any time. So if you get a box you don't like and you don't feel like paying for it anymore, you can unsubscribe. But yeah, let me know if you guys are subscribed and if you are a fan of this subscription. I definitely am. I think it's the best one on the market right now. So anyways, I hope that you guys enjoyed this Boxycharm unboxing. Please give this video a thumbs up if you did. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!